Hey friends! Have you ever heard of a Caribbean carnival? Oh wow, get ready! Because today I'm taking you on a super colourful adventure. Picture this. The sun is shining, the sky is blue, and the streets are bursting with the brightest costumes you've ever seen. I see feathers in every colour: pink, green, gold. Some people wear giant wings, and some have sparkly masks. Everyone's dancing to happy, bouncy music called Soca and calypso. Can you hear the steel drums? Ding, ding, ding! I can't help but wiggle and giggle. Carnival is a huge party that happens in lots of Caribbean islands, like Trinidad, Jamaica, and Barbados. It's all about having fun, celebrating with family and friends, and sharing good vibes. People parade down the street, waving flags and throwing confetti everywhere. And guess what? Even kids join in the fun. There are costume contests, face painting, sweet coconut treats, juicy fruit. Yum! I wish you could taste them through the screen. The best part is the music. Everyone is singing, dancing, and laughing together. Sometimes I even pretend I'm in the parade, twirling and jumping around my living room. You can try too. Grab your brightest clothes, make a paper mask, and dance to your favorite song. Caribbean Carnival is all about being joyful and kind, no matter where you are. So next time you want to have fun, remember this magical, colorful celebration. Thanks for joining my adventure. Don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to Florent Kids Hub channel for more videos. See you next time. Bye!